All right, so here's the update on the C47. We brought it in finally. We started basically working on the engines. That took us 5.5 months. We finally got those started, as you saw in the video. Finally got the aircraft flown here. And we first started with the ambitious wing bolt AD. We managed to remove 400 some odd bolts, replace the old hardware on each wing, by the way, 406 bolts on each wing. Replaced those. We got new windows cut for the aircraft. Then we started to work on the wiring and to rebuild the cockpit. We've actually removed the flooring and got the flooring planed out, and it looks really good. Got the smell, the larvicide smell, out of the aircraft. Got all the wires sorted here on the back, and now we're working on details. We are working on corrosion control everywhere. So we're finding a lot of corrosion up here in this panel. Behind this radome. We're finding a lot of corrosion around the windowsills on the inside. We're removing those. We gave the aircraft a full inspection on the fuselage, and now we've marked all the areas that require special attention to remove the corrosion. The other thing that we've done here is, if you look at the sides of the airplane, we started to strip some of the paint. Got the end numbers gone. We removed the end numbers, stripped them, and also grinded some of that stuff off. We removed the crew access door here in the forward fuselage, and now we're in the process of rebuilding the internal panel to it. Finally got the mechanism working right. The mechanism was all gunked up, so that's what you hear the boys back there working on. Now we've been able to source transponder and comm panel, and now we're looking for a GPS to install back here on this rack. We've did one good inspection of all the pulley systems, both underneath the floorboards and inside here, inside by the crew positions, right? The other thing that we've been able to do is remove wire, and lots of wire. We're probably at 8.5 pounds of wire, unnecessary wire, that we've removed. Stuff that was in use for mosquito control systems, stuff that was in use for legacy, radios and transponders and things of that nature. Some stuff didn't even go anywhere. It was just clipped from one end, clipped on the other end, and it was just bundles and bundles just living inside the aircraft. So that's now gone. And in here, the next phase is obviously work on the radome. Looks like there's been some repairs done to it. We're gonna repairs and damage done to it, so we're gonna have to repair this. I think that pretty much catches us up on the project so far. Really the big next step for us is to remove the aileron on the left-hand side, and that's gonna get refabricated. And the left horizontal, that has to get refabricated as well. So you'll be seeing that coming soon. And that's it. That's all I got.